Hi, it's Jonathan from Equipmart, your online retailer for cleaning equipment, pressure washers, parts and accessories. I wanted to show you the quick release connector, which is the 3/8, which is a 14.8mm here in metric, male plug to 3/8 screw thread male. You'll normally see those on the end of hoses, perhaps where you plug into your high pressure washer or indeed into the trigger gun on your pressure washer. So that's the other end, which is the female that you'll normally see, say perhaps on the trigger gun. So that will just snap on, pull the sleeve back and that retracts off. So there's the 3/8 to 3/8 screw thread to quick release male.